Good morning. Welcome back to another forecast. And in today's forecast, we're pretty much going to go over what is going on across the country currently here in our area. As you can see, nothing really too much going on. But later on today, there will be a chance for severe weather. The risk is not zero, but it is a low chance. So down here, if you're down here in the Mississippi Valley, the Mississippi, Georgia, Alabama area, including even parts of Arkansas and Louisiana, just keep an eye out for severe weather. Uh, have a mobile device or some sort of device where you can get all your weather alerts because, like I said, there is a chance for severe weather today. It is a low chance, but it is the chance it is not zero. So let's go to what is going on with the outlooks for today. For today, according to the Storm Prediction Center, there is a marginal risk for Oklahoma and Texas, the panhandle of Oklahoma and the northern half of Texas for severe weather. Um, with, like I said, a 2% chance right there in Texas for tornadoes. A very low possibility, but it is not zero. As of right now, I wasn't seeing anything that was showing any kinds of signs, but I wouldn't be surprised if there is, in fact, a brief spin up from this. So just keep a device handy for your weather, so you can stay weather aware. Um, to me, it looks like today's risk will be mostly a wind and hail threat, but like I said, I wouldn't rule out the fact or the chance for a brief spin up. Tomorrow, the focus area, the storm area will change. As you can see, there is a little slither over here on the west coast of um, a marginal risk for severe weather that includes parts of Washington, Northern California, and Oregon, with another risk area being in Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama there. Tomorrow's risk, there is quite larger 2% risk chance or risk area for tornadoes. Tomorrow's threat looks like it will be pretty much, in my opinion, the same thing it was today. A very low chance, but the chance is not zero for tornadoes. And then after that, nothing really going on too severe here. I do want to, however, bring up the current radar for the area. Um, and actually, I tell you what, we'll just go ahead and go to. Um, so, and again, I'm using all the GFS models because they've been the most reliable here. So, I'm looking at, I will show you. Well, I guess not. So, use. Um, okay, according to the GFS model, we will back it up and you'll be able to see for later in the this afternoon. So just keep an eye out for all that. As you can see for tomorrow, there is that chance right there that I was referring to earlier down there in Louisiana, uh, form up around noon or so. But I wouldn't worry about this up here if you're in the Ohio Valley. This is nothing. But to Indiana or anywhere there in the Midwest, expect some rain. We'll push out by the evening. We'll start pushing into Ohio by the evening Thursday night and pretty much last until early Friday morning. Then that will push out as a low pressure system will carry that out of the way. A high will then come in and give us a little bit of more dry weather. The temperature is going to be it's going to be pretty much normal temperatures for the year. I'll keep going. As you can see, that will pretty much keep it like that. Looks like the possibility of some more snow if you're over here in the west or in the Colorado area or um, Wyoming, Idaho. If you're over in that area near California, does heavy of a chance. I'm not quite sure here, but I would say at least at 80 to 90. So definitely be prepared for. I'm currently having difficulties here with the technical difficulties with my forecast model. And then Monday of next week, there is another chance for severe weather and stretching all the way from up in the middle part of Kansas. If you're in that area, there is a definite possibility for severe weather and even go as far as Iowa. Why it looks like it's going to be getting stronger and then just basically fizzling out. So it could just end up turning into severe or heavy rain at some points if you're in that area. And it looks like for next Wednesday, the possibility for snow, more of a possibility for snow in the Colorado Valley, the Colorado Mountains area, if you're anywhere in that area, with more rain expected looking like down here in Oklahoma, Texas, and maybe even some rain over here in the upper peninsula of Michigan. Have some mixed rain here in the Dakotas next week. Now, if that'll actually happen and pan out, it's hard to say at this point, but right now that's how it's looking. But things could change by then. So stay tuned, and I will have more weather forecasts as they come out. Um, so thank you for stopping by.